Welcome to Jiangsu Yongla Medical Technology. Jiangsu Yongla Medical Technology is a professional manufacturer of anesthetic laryngoscope, which has 19 years of rich production experience. We have strong after-sales service team and a professional research and development team. Production link layer by layer control. Clear division of labor, strict audit to ensure quality. Fast and quick packing, ensure delivery on time. The warehouse is fully stocked and waiting for your order. In recent years, the company, through continuous improvement and transformation, hardware facilities and software management, have reached the first-class level of similar enterprises at home and abroad. The anesthesia laryngoscope series products have passed the European Union CE, FDA-registered manufacturer, ISO certification,